Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty. So Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches, different ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, mind-blowing patterns. Some are beautiful crochet strap style, leather strap style, wooden handle, metal handle, chain strap style, pocket style, lock-up style, different designing zipper style. Beautiful ideas and my mind-blowing pattern. Follow my channel. Very nice. Hopefully you like this, and you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet handbag. Very nice, most demanding and daily use collection. And you can carry this handbag with matching your dresses in any party like college, birthday, uni function and casual at your office. Very nice. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day and please pray for me. Goodbye.